everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn Java from scratch and take it all the way to an advanced level, then you are in the right place. This Java tutorial series is specially designed for absolute beginners, engineering students, and even preparing for placements or interviews, and even those who know basics but want to strengthen their concepts. In this complete Java playlist, we will cover everything step by step. I will explain each concept in a very simple and practical way with real life examples, clear explanations. In the next video, we will start with what Java is, its features, and how Java works internally. So, if you are serious about learning Java properly, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's start this Java journey together. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep coding.